friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alyssa and this is Dreaming of the Farm. Today I'm doing a little thrifting shop and haul with me. A rainy Saturday, I woke up early to go to a church barn sale. Thrifting is kind of like a hobby I do not do well, in the way that I don't plan for my thrifting. It's just kind of like, if we find a thrift store, let's go, or if we make a day of it, we usually forget cash and it just becomes a little bit frustrating. So I'm going to start with the tchotchke items I got, and then I'll go into wall decor because primarily everything is for walls, I would say. So when I do thrift, I usually, when I get home, I organize it by what I want to paint. So 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 here will be items that I will be painting. My husband has a crush on this thing. Honestly, I got it because I thought it looked like a guitar, and I thought it was like a toy, and then I was like, oh, this is something that would go on a ship, and I'm embarrassing myself, but it's a barometer. I'm going to paint this candle holder white to go with what I have in this room already, which is this Home Goods picture frame, and this reminded me of it, and I just thought it would tie in well with that piece. This is one of those like pillar candle holders, in case you don't know. I got these little bless our home hearts. I don't need anything else in my house to say bless, but I did like the twine wooden heart, so I definitely want to paint these like a variety of ombre pink and put them in my third daughter's room. And I liked this single candle holder, which I have other candle holders like this downstairs, so I plan to do like an interesting wall of mismatching like candle holders, because we have 2 candle holders up in this room, but it's not easy to find like a match of candle holders if you're thrifting, from my own experience. All right, moving on to kitchen items, because that's kind of how I organize it, because these are items that I will disinfect and put into my dishwasher. But I really liked these plates. I thought that they were really charming. I love this plate. To me, it's like Ralph Lauren meets Pottery Barn meets nautical. It's from Cape Cod, Massachusetts, so maybe somebody got this from like that Kyle James Patrick store, where it's like all New England stuff and it's like $50 for a pair of socks, or maybe somebody just bought this from a TJ Maxx and I'm a sucker. I've been very much into milk glass, and I've been looking for that, and I've been looking for a certain style of milk glass. This all started with a banana fruit holder. And I'm like, wow, that's amazing. I want to start collecting that because I need to be collecting things. But I thought that this would be fun for my counter to keep tea. I got this casserole dish, and I thought it was cute. And I just thought it would be nice to have during the holidays, because what annoys me the most leaving a holiday party with kids that need to go to bed is like bringing home my dish. So I'm like, just keep it. I also got these adorable creamer and sugar set. I just always need vases. These are like 99 cents for these jars. And I have to say, I don't have anything this shape or size. This is another milk glass. This is just a vase. And the woman was telling me this might not be like real milk glass, but from what I've been learning, it looked real enough to me. I thought that this pillar vase was cute, and I might actually just put this outside on my porch. And the last vase I got, oh, there's a little angel candle holder. I thought that this was sweet. This little angel candle holder just made me a bathroom accent, or can go in one of my daughter's rooms on a shelf. And I really, really adored this vase with the roses on it, or maybe it's a peony. Definitely have this in mind for one of the girls' room. They had a great Christmas section, but if you're a frequent visitor here, I think you know by now, I do not need any more Christmas stuff, but I couldn't turn down this adorable little winter scene plate. I got this for Robert, my husband. He's really into like plates, kind of like giving me Ralph Lauren vibes, and I thought that they could maybe be a part of some type of like wall in our office to go with his other plates, and that this would go cute with the Cape Cod plate, if we don't use the Cape Cod plate as an actual plate. I had to have this. I wish they had it in bulk because I would get 3. I thought that this was the most precious little thing. All right, I'm going to try and wrap this up quick because I want to go out on the porch with my friends out there. Basically, the rest of the items that I got are wall decor items. We have a lot of wall space in our home that we haven't done much with, and we can't really make sense of spending a lot of money on something we really want because We don't know what the house is going to look like in a couple years, so this is kind of like an economical thing. Create space for our children in our playroom, which let me just show you really quick. Our playroom. So this is, since this cannot be the built-in living room of my dreams with fireplace, Pottery Barn couches, and all of my dreams, it's this, which is awesome because these kids bring me the most joy, and this is where the joy happens, honestly. So I don't love the way this space works, and I have goals of turning this into like more of a classroom vibe for this summer, and I just want the wall to be happier. I've done like a few things here and there, like some shelving, but nothing to really write home about. And honestly, hanging these things here is what, like, honestly, sorry, I know, it doesn't really work. These, I think, are excellent items to have as focal points for my children to spark different conversations. They're not overwhelmingly aggressive and overstimulating, but they also could help redirect them. So that's kind of why I got them. I like all of the colors in these next three items, and I think color is important to have in a child's space, and this goes with our home. Honestly, this first thing was the first thing I saw, and I was like, oh, I love that. So I got these to just hang on the wall. This is a nice, I can't lie to you and tell you I read the whole thing yet, but I do like what this says. It says children learn what they live, and so I like this kind of, but I liked the purple because we just got a purple flower that kind of looks like this somewhat. I don't think that this will go into that room. So these items I put aside for playroom. Now, all of these baskets, I am going to make, like, my idea is to like go with like a boho color scheme to tie in different colors muted from that artwork I just showed you. And on that big wall in that playroom, incorporate the baskets with the wall decor. That's the goal. Goals are goals, so we will see what happens. And then some of these I will just use for baskets because I think they're super cute. I really like this basket with the wicker. One more basket over there, which there's a lot of like you pick flower farms around us. We went tulip picking, daffodil picking, and for the first time ever, we're gonna go peony picking, and they request a basket to bring your own flower basket. And I have just one of those, so I wanted to get another one. I got this guy because it reminded me of the Brave Little Toaster, and I feel like I can put it outside on our porch to hold my fly swatter. So I always know where my fly swatter is, and so my children will not take it and move it, and when I need it, I can find it. Tablecloths, I think I talked about I talked about the tablecloths already. And then lastly are these women who I think will look lovely in a bathroom or in one of my girls' rooms, because I just think that they are pretty, and I thought they were cool. Alright my friends, that wraps up this video. I hope you will subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing what I do with some of these things, and I have my summer, late spring front porch video coming up soon too. Alright, cheers, have a good one, bye.